And right now, Houston ISD laying out its cold weather plans after some schools had problems with their HVAC systems last winter. Our Trace and Bragg got an inside look at what the district is doing to keep your kids warm this year.
It's that time of year when you need to grab a thick coat before heading out the door, because besides the discomfort, temps in the 40s and 50s can cause real problems.
So now we're in the winter season, so we're going to make sure we're providing the necessary heat for the building.
Gianni Ledesma is the executive director of HVAC at Houston ISD.
Roughly, we have 5 divisions. We're broken down in 5 divisions. Each division has 3 units. In those 3 units, we have maintenance repairers, senior advanced repairers, plumbers, electricians, and we're able to address any emergencies that come arise.
Emergencies like those during last winter's snowstorm, when several HISD campuses faced heating issues. But Ledesma tells me they've learned from those issues.
Well, our morning starts off at 4:30 every day. We have a team that comes in to the central office. They do a scan of all the buildings through our BAS system to ensure that we have everything's functioning properly.
That BAS system is housed right here in a centralized location in the district. It even shows district officials real-time data, including the temperature in each classroom.
It lets us know, hey, gives us our central plant. Are the chillers running? Are the boilers running? What type of temperature the water's leaving the boiler or the chillers?
If the system alerts staff of a problem, it can generate a work order for repairs before students ever arrive to campus.
How quickly can you guys respond?
Our emergencies, we're able to address those in less than 2 hours. And most of the time, it's a quick 30-minute fix.
All so the students can focus on learning, not the elements. In Houston, Trace and Bragg, KHOU 11 News.
Gotta stay warm.